I'm getting ready to replace this carpeting with some really nice oak stair treads. And I'm measuring the distance from the wall to the skirt board because I want those treads to fit nice and tightly. The problem is when you bend the tape like that while taking an inside measurement, it's hard to tell exactly what the distance is. I don't know if that's 38.5, 38.75, I'm not really sure what. So I'm going to solve that with a simple solution using a binder clip and a plastic card. This happens to be a supermarket card, but you can use a credit card or anything like that, as long as it's nice and rigid. You just clip it onto the tape, and then take your measurement again, and then slide the card right up against the surface. Just like that, nice and tight. Make sure both ends of the tape are up against the surface. Now you just lift up the tape, and you read where the card crosses the tape measure. There it is, exactly 38 11/16.
Simple Solutions is brought to you by Type Bond, the pro's advantage.